Hello students, welcome to my channel. So our topic today is addition of single digit numbers. So let us start the addition. First example, we have to add 5 with 4. So what we'll do here, first number is 5, so we'll draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then second number is 4, we'll draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is told, we have to add these lines with this. So what we'll do, we'll add all the lines together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is the answer. Let us take one more example. 9 plus 4. So what we'll do, in the same way, first number is 9, so we'll draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And second number is 4, so we'll draw 4 lines. Now we have to add these lines together. So if we add all these lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is the answer. Now we'll take one more example. 4 plus 7. We have to add. We'll write 4 lines first, because first number is 4. Then second number is 7, so we'll draw 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have to add these lines together. So what we'll do, we'll add all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 plus 7 is 11. So this is the answer. Let us do one more example. Suppose 3 plus 8. We have to add together. So first number is 3. We'll draw 3 lines. Second number is 8. We'll draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to add these 3 lines with 8 lines together. Now if we add all these lines together, so we'll get how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 plus 8 is 11. This is the answer. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody.